If you or someone you know or someone you love has inherited a house or is going through a probate type of situation with a house involved in Lancaster, Ohio, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Lancaster, Ohio, and one of the most common calls that we get is somebody who inherited the house. So we know firsthand, and I know firsthand, the last thing you need is more complexity. Sometimes when you're going through the probate process, it's complex as it is. There might be attorneys involved, there might be a court involved, there might be paperwork involved, and things like that. So the last thing we're here to do for you is give you more complexity. We're here to keep it simple. What allows us to keep it simple for you is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, you don't got to haul anything away. We truly buy the house as is. I don't care if it's packed full of stuff. You take with you anything that you want out of the house, anything that you don't want or don't need, you just could leave behind. We truly buy the house in its as-is condition, and we're going to give you a fair price. Since there's no middleman, we're a direct buyer, so there's no markups or anything like that. There's no commissions you got to pay. There's no fees or anything like that. We're able to offer you a fair price, and many times you're going to get more by selling to us as a direct buyer for a cash purchase than you would if you marketed, listed, and sold with a realtor and paid a bunch of commissions and fees and had to put work into the property. That's a nightmare. Sell the house in its as-is condition is always the best thing to do. I don't know if you've been to the Home Depot lately, but prices are through the roof. When you sell to us, you don't got to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away. No trips to the Home Depot. There's no handyman, no weekend warrior stuff, nothing like that. We'll truly buy the house as is, and we're going to give you a fair price. We work with many, many people that inherit properties in and around Lancaster, Ohio. We're going to treat you fair. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. So if you have a house in Lancaster that you inherited, or the house is going through a probate type of situation, contact us today. There's no obligations to contact us, and at least just see what we can do. Our number here is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. There is no pressure, no games, no tactics, or there's no hidden intentions. We're a direct buyer, and we're going to give you a fair price on the house. If it works for you, if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward, we'll make it happen. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. So if you've inherited a house or have a house going through probate in Lancaster, Ohio, contact us today. Let's at least just see what we can do for you. Since we're a cash buyer, we can move quickly if you need us to move quickly, or we can create more of a flexible situation if you're needing to set a target date. If you need us to talk to the court, we're happy to do that. We play nice with everybody. We see this all the time. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials and positive references we can give you from people just like you that inherited properties. We see this all the time. So if you've inherited a house in Lancaster or anywhere in the area, contact us today for a fair offer. Our number again is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.